This video provides an insightful overview of artificial intelligence, and AI, touching on its history, types, applications, and the ongoing debate about its potential risks. It effectively breaks down the differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning, emphasizing how AI is already deeply integrated into our daily lives, often in ways we may not immediately recognize. The video also addresses concerns about AI's future, particularly the fear that it could one day surpass human intelligence and pose a threat to humanity. This concern is highlighted by tech leaders like Elon Musk and the late Stephen Hawking, who warn of the existential risks posed by advanced AI. The video contrasts these concerns with the current reality of AI, which is largely limited to narrow applications, like virtual assistants and self-driving cars. In terms of AI's practical use, the video showcases its impact across various industries, including finance, healthcare, and social media, where AI is enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and even safety. The discussion of AI's potential to evolve into general or superintelligence raises important questions about the ethical and societal implications of such advancements. Overall, the video captures the dual nature of AI as both a transformative tool and a potential risk, urging viewers to consider the broader implications of its continued development. The closing thoughts about AI possibly taking over within the next few decades serve as a provocative reminder of the need to engage with these technologies responsibly.